Hello and hi. In this video we are going to discuss about most commonly used painkiller medicines. The first medicine is Calpol. Its chemical name is paracetamol. It's available in 300 mg and 500 mg. You can check here the uses and side effects of Calpol. The second medicine is Catrol DT. Its chemical name is Catorolac tromethamine. It's available in 10 mg and 30 mg. You can check here some main uses and side effects of Catorol DT. The next painkiller is Dynapar. It contains two chemical salts, diclofenac sodium plus paracetamol. It's available in 50 mg and 75 mg. You can check here some uses and side effects of this medicine. Next painkiller is Zerodol P. Its chemical name is aceclofenac. It's available in 100 mg and 325 mg. Here are some uses and side effects of Zerodol P. Next painkiller is Combiflam. It contains two chemical salts, ibuprofen and paracetamol. It's available in 325 mg and 400 mg. You can see here some uses and side effects of this medicine. Next medicine is Caflom. Its chemical name is diclofenac potassium. It's available in 50 mg and 100 mg. You can check here some uses and side effects of Caflom. Thanks for watching. Like, share and comments on the video. You can subscribe our channel for the latest videos. Press the bell icon. You will get all notification of new videos.